Hi guys, today we are unboxing the Hydrofast PO-100, a powerful 20-bar portable espresso machine with a massive fast heating and full support for ground coffee and Nespresso-compatible pots. Okay, so let's check what's inside this box. As you can see, it's already unzipped. And let me show you all the components, what we've got here. Starting with this pocket, we've got user manual here. We've got USB cable. Okay, so it's even, there's even a holder for this cable here. Then we've got this beautiful travel case. And let me just unbox our coffee machine from this pocket. Okay, so let's go through all the items we've got inside. Starting with the user manual. Let me just open it. It's very clean. Instructions, safety info, brewing tips also pretty useful. Not too much text, so it's pretty comfortable to use. Let me put it back here. Then we've got this mentioned USB-C charging cable. It's a fast one, so truly useful, as you can use this device, this coffee maker, also as a charger. Put it back here. And now let's take everything off and take a look at the items itself. So here we've got the Star Hydrofast PO-100 by itself. It's less than 1 kilo, ultra portable, built from food grade stainless steel and reinforced ABS. It feels kind of premium. Here you've got the button to turn on and off. Then here you've got the USB-C charger. Let me just open it. Here it is. Then the box also hides ground coffee spoon, a measuring spoon for your ground coffee, a capsule chamber for Nespresso-compatible pots, originals or those cheaper alternatives. Then we've got the ground coffee basket for anyone who prefers traditional espresso using their favorite blend, and then a kind of storage box for extra pots. Very handy for traveling. Also, let's just take a look at this beautiful color. It's kind of forest green, pretty amazing. Hydrofast equipped this toy with a huge battery. Full charge takes only 3 to 4 hours, and it allows you to brew over 400 cups of hot coffee. It can even work as a power bank, as mentioned at the beginning. It heats water using a wireless fast charging system, so there's no need to boil water beforehand. It does everything for you. The 90 milliliter water tank lets you choose espresso strength depending on your taste. You also get dry burn protection, easy to clean components, and a compact rack design perfect for hiking, traveling, cycling, whatever you want. You can grab with you wherever you go. If you want your espresso anywhere, like camping, traveling, cycling, or even at work, looks like this is the proper item.